Hi everyone, it's Caroline. Thanks for joining me today. I'm doing a demonstration, a review on the QFUN Laminator that was sent to me, and thank you very much for sending this. I've already taken it out of the box. I've started the machine, and I just want to jump right into this. So this is the box that it came in. I've put it on a towel because I have a glass mat, and so there's just a little bit of a vibration, so I thought, well, maybe that would be better. And it also came with, oh, you know what? I'm going to lift up this lid to show that it came with this mini cutter. And this is the first time I'm opening this up. It came with these little rings. And it also came with a corner punch and a mini blade. Comes with an extra blade and a little punch. I'm just going to try this punch right now. It's called QFUN for a reason, because most of us love to say the word fun. And it has the user manual here. It also came with these large laminating pouches or sheets. Here's a couple of small ones. I'm just going to get right into this. I have a small one right here. It looks like it's glossy. Be fun to use that side there, but this is the way the pouch is presented. So I'm just going to move this, slide this back, and put something in here. I thought I could coordinate two things here. I could use one of my design team kits. This is from Ödulcina, and it is the lovely birds. I have cut these out into little labels. I already had them cut out. I'm going to use this. I'm going to load this up as much as I can. Close it up, and here we go. This is glossy. Great. Oh yeah, so that's fun. I'm going to let that cool for just a second. It's a little warm. I have printed off the flowers label kit from Ödulcina, and I'm going to be using this in a project coming up. I'll use this potting shed one, and I'll use a larger sheet. That will fit. Yes, it will. Put this through. I'm going to use the rest of my doodle art, and I'm going to make myself some bookmarks. A little bit of a fold, but I think it comes out pretty good. Well, that is so fun. Preserve your art. This is really fun. I'm going to use this as my first obvious creation. I'm going to trim off the edge. And I'm going to make a bookmark. Trying out all the fun accessories that came with it. could have put something on the back, but I'm going to make this for myself. I'll put a hole in it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I am going to make it a tag. And then I'll put a hole. And then I'll put, just pulled out some scrap ribbon at the thrift store. Any color would work with this, and this is now a bookmark that I actually need. That's why I made it. Just turn this into a fun bookmark with your own art. Well, that's the easiest and most obvious one to me. For the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these out. Following the little corners that I had already cut. These are weatherproof, so you could make these into luggage tags. You could make these into to personalize your knapsack. Now the thing is, I didn't, if you wanted this personal, let's say you have 3 friends, 3 gifts that you wanted to give, you could definitely write on the inside. I did not write on here, probably a Sharpie. I'm going to try that. See if a Sharpie will keep it permanent. Yeah, these are really fun. Let's say I'm going to put this on my backpack, this one. And I can take my Sharpie, taking my fine point, and I'm going to put this belongs to, and I'll put my name. See how that works. And then I'm going to put a little hole right here. See if I can, in the corner. Oh, okay, so that didn't work. I didn't push it all the way. Let's go like this. I have this blue scrap. And this is for me, so it's okay. Oh, that sits in there perfectly. You can't even tell. Well, I have fussy cut a few of these out. I am also taking some of the scrappy strips from the cutting, and I'm going to make these labels into an actual label so that you can stick it into your seedlings. This is the Beacon poster, foam and poster board. I got that at the dollar store quite a while ago. I think that'll work. And then you can be able to stick that into your little pot. You can write what it is. Maybe you have a little herb garden, you'd like to put it in an herb pot. This one I can do the same. I'm just taking my scraps and taking them right out of the garbage. And that can go in. That occurred to me at the last second when I thought, oh, what am I going to do with these little strips? And these are waterproof. Oh yeah, what a nice gift that would be. That is already stuck on there. That is great. This potting shed label already had a little, little thing that you could put a hole through. I don't have a small hole punch, so I just used my needle, and I put the wax thread through it. And then this one I'm going to make a hole with the punch. Right at the very top, and I'll use another piece of wax thread. You can use any kind of thread that you like. These would be great on gifts for the gardener in your life, or just for anybody that you give this with a plant. There's so many great ideas. Or with a gardening journal. If you're making a gardening journal, wouldn't this be a fun little addition? You could write on the back with your permanent marker, just a fun little tag. I love these. So many ideas. Doing one more experiment here. Hopefully this will work. I was going to turn this into a paper clip. So I will put some glue on the back. See if this works. And I'm going to put my paper clip here. I'm leaving a little bit at the top so that I can use it as and put a pretty tassel on it. Hot glue gun would be the best idea for this. Taking a scrap of fabric. I believe this is glued on pretty good now. And I'm going to make a little bow. Really pretty. The other thing I'm going to do, one more, going to make holes in these, and I think I'll put them in the corner. I'm going to attach one of the rings on here. Oh, that's great. I'm going to put one of these in there too. That is a really cute gift. This was really fun to experiment with and try. The first time I've tried a laminator. Thank you, QFUN, for sending this to me. I'm going to put back the items that came with this laminator. A little hole punch, a mini hole punch, and some rings that came in here. The little corner rounder, like that. And the other thing that came with it was this little cutter. All fits in here really handy, so you can keep all your items together. I have a lot more ideas that I'd love to try, so I will keep you up to date. And the fun things that I made with this laminator, labels and tags. I also made, in my book, I also made a fun bookmark. Very quick, very easy, with my own art. Fun gift ideas for your family members. I used some of my my digitals from Ödulcina. This is the flowers labels kit, and I made a couple of fun potting labels. that you can give as gifts. Some more little potting labels. You can put this around. They're very lightweight, so you can put these around your pots or in your journal, in your gardening journal. And you can write on the back of these, as I did here. I just made this fun label. This belongs to Caroline or whomever. This would go on some luggage. You could put this on a backpack, make it for your children, for anyone. You can turn these into little labels also for your garden. You could turn these into labels to organize your closets, your cupboards. There's lots of ideas in your craft room. Here it is. Turn one of them into, or all of them into, a fun paper clip. Beautiful little gifts. And then you can also put them on a ring and have them handy, have them ready. You can add string to them or leave them like this. Oh, they're beautiful. And with the permanent marker, Sharpie, that's what I have, you can add names, addresses. Thanks everyone for joining me today in the review. I will leave a link to to where you can purchase if you were interested in it. I also wanted to share some more of this kit that I will be using going forward. And there are beautiful, shabby, antique looking labels here. Flowers Farm. And then I took one of the labels and I made it big to show that you can change the sizing of if you have that available in your printer. So this is from Ödulcina. I'm going to link that also below. And also to the QFUN Laminator. Have fun creating, everyone. Always be adventurous and stay fresh. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.